Okay, stop writing, guys. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine.
Very good. As you can see, the date for today is 23 March 2026.
Yes.
We are going to learn mathematics under the topic properties of a circle. Properties of a circle. That's the topic for today. Properties of the circle or parts of the circle. This is the circle which you are seeing here. This is the circle. It has a lot of properties. Some of the properties we are not going to discuss about them, but some of them are here. Here we will discuss about the circle and its what properties. The circle and its what properties. What is a circumference? Before we come to this question, a circle, it has a lot of properties. Property number one, a normal circle must have circumference. A normal circle must have diameter. A normal circle must have a radius. A normal circle must have a chord. A normal circle must have a sector. A normal circle must have an arc. No wonder I said we will discuss about what is important, what is on this side. We are not going to discuss about it. So, for a start, since we said a normal circle must have a circumference, what is a circumference? A circumference, it is a distance, it is the distance around the what? The circle. It is the distance around a circle or the circle. It is the distance around the circle. This distance you are seeing here, the distance around the circle. From here, let's move. We are moving. This distance from this point going round up to where we started from here. That distance, if we are to put a line here and make it straight and calculate the distance, that distance around the circle, which is called the circumference. Let's hope you understand.
Yes.
No one will ask me a question that what is a circumference in mathematics. Fine example. Put your question back with us, right? I just want you to understand the properties before we come to the circle. We will learn about the circle. What is a diameter? What is a diameter? A normal circle must have a diameter. A diameter is a straight line that divides the circle into two equal parts. And those equal parts are called what? Semicircle. Are we together? Yes. It is a straight line that divides the circle into two. Let's come to the center of the circle and divide it into two. The line that divides the circle into two equal parts is called diameter. This is the circumference. And this is our diameter. This is our diameter. Like I said, a diameter is a straight line that divides the circle into two equal parts called semicircle. Half of the circle, the one on top, it is called the semicircle. One semicircle, another semicircle. Are we together?
Yes.
Good. Two semicircles make a circle. A diameter, it is a straight line starting from one circumference to another circumference, cutting the circle into two equal parts called semicircle. Are we together?
Yes.
Another one, what is a radius? What is a radius? A radius is the half of what? The diameter. Half of this line just raise your hand. Please, the camera should point this side now. How many diameters do we have here? Or how many radius do we have? How many radius? Yes? There are what? There are 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 radius. Then how many diameters? How many diameters are here? Yes? 1. From here to that point, this is 1 diameter. Radius, radius, radius. Are we together? Yes. That's what we are understanding the introduction of this topic. Church. What is a church? This one, right? You are Mr. Church from today. No more calling that person as Christopher. No. You are now Mr. Church. Church is a straight line. Let's define you now. We are not defining you. Right? Church is a straight line that moves from one part of the circumference to the other part of the circumference without passing through the center of the circle. The center must be here. Any line should cut here. Now, church, circumference, it moves from one part of the circumference to the other part of the circumference without passing the center. This line is called church. But immediately when it passes the center here, it is no longer a church. It will be what? Diameter. Let's hope you understand the topic. This is a church. Church. Christopher. Okay. Let's come to the center. Center is a fraction of the circle that is bounded. Center is a fraction of the circle that is bound by 2 radii. What is the plural form of radius? Radii. Radius is what? 1. 2 radii. Madam Radii. Yeah, Madam Radii. Center is a fraction of the circle that is bound by 2 radii and part of the circumference. It will be very difficult for you to understand this one, but I'll make you understand. Let's come to this. Anyone come and show me a sector? Sector is a fraction of a circle that is bound by 2 radii. That is bound by 2 radii. Radii, radii. Radius, radius. 2 radii. It is a fraction of a circle. It is a fraction of a circle. It is a fraction of a circle that is bounded by 2 radii. This is the sector. Are we together? Yes. Dear Madam, put some fraction. How many segments do you see in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. The word sector, it was gotten from the word segment. Are we together? Yes. Mathematics is a fellow mathematics in Chicago. You are not going to you are not even going to solve your own problems in real life. Unga ukasira ulinkale chabe pakanjela kupayo. Ulipenda ni exam hapo timu kulipa never wakabembe. Aumbela solo. So anyway, what is you like mathematics in your head? Are we together? Yes. Now, here are the 2 formulas. One formula, just one formula. If you want to find the circumference, if you want to find the total distance around the circle, what is the total distance around this circle? Use these 2 formulas. Circumference is equal to 2 pi g, pi r. Pi times radius, or circumference is equal to pi times diameter. In case they have given you to say the distance from here to that, from this circumference to that circumference, this diameter, the diameter is 4. Then, of which pi they give? Pi they can even give 22/7 or 3.142. Then what you do just say, to find the circumference, multiply 12 times 3.142. What's the answer? Is that difficult? Who said mathematics is very difficult? Fine example. 100%